Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to English for grade 6. We are learning students learning outcome today. Recall and apply rules for use of articles a, an and the in speech and writing. तो बेटा आज हमने आर्टिकल का यूज पढ़ना है ए, एन और द. बिफोर दिस इन इंग्लिश फॉर ग्रेड 5 यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड. आप लोगों को आई होप यू रिमेंबर यूज ऑफ इनडेफिनिट ए एन एन एंड डेफिनिट द आर्टिकल्स. ठीक है, तो बेटा जो ए और एन है ये इनडेफिनिट आर्टिकल्स होते हैं और द इज डेफिनिट आर्टिकल. ये हमने ग्रेड 5 में ऑलरेडी स्टडी किया है. सो लेट्स मूव फर्दर और आज हम अपने लेक्चर को अल्लाह के नाम से स्टार्ट करते हैं. अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला mentions in Quran Surah Al-Naml verse 30, in the name of Allah, the beneficent, the merciful. Right? So beta, this is beautiful verse. We say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. हम जो भी काम स्टार्ट करते हैं अल्लाह के प्यारे नाम से, अल्लाह का नाम लेकर उसको स्टार्ट करते हैं. ये इस आयत का मैसेज है जो कि अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला ने हज़रत सुलेमान को सिखाई और उन्होंने ये सूरह अल-नमल बहुत खूबसूरत सूरा है. आप इसको ज़रूर पढ़ें और इसकी डिटेल देखें. राइट नाउ यू सी द, यहाँ पर 3 times द डेफिनेट आर्टिकल यूज हुए. तो हम द के ए और एन के फर्दर यूजेस देखते हैं. Why it is important to learn? हमें क्यों आर्टिकल का यूज क्यों हमें पता होना चाहिए? It helps clarify the meaning of the noun in your sentence and it comes before a noun to show if it's specific or general. ठीक है, तो हम ये देखते हैं कि हमारा noun specific है तो हमने कौन सा आर्टिकल यूज करना है, general है तो कौन सा आर्टिकल यूज करना है. और let's recall it. Teacher will write few sentences on board and these sentences will contain article a, an and the. Teacher will ask students one by one to come on board and tick the correct article that will come in these sentences, right? So pause the video, enjoy this activity and then come back. Yes, my dear students. Now, we use the indefinite article a and an. Where do we use it? With singular nouns. For example, they are searching for a book. You see, बेटा हम a और an यूज करते हैं to specify, I mean to tell के एक, जैसे उर्दू में हम कहते हैं हम एक किताब ढूंढ रहे हैं, right? So this number, this article tells a book. It's general, all right? And the second one, Arshad is playing with a toy car, right? Means Arshad के पास there is one toy car and it can be any book, a general. And we use this article a and with adjectives. He is a tall boy, right? Before adjective we also use, because basically it is referring to noun but there is adjective in between, so we have to use article here. She is an intelligent girl. Now this an is before this intelligent, which is adjective, and it is referring to this girl. Now, to say what someone or what job he or she does. My brother is a doctor. I am a teacher. I am a student. So whenever you are telling about a job, you will use article a or an. There is a butcher in the shop. To show the person or thing, she is a pupil at university road school. So this is referring, it is pointing, basically she is a student, okay? She is a pupil. The second one is there is a flock of sheep in the farm. Now we know a flock is a collective noun and we treat collective nouns as singular, remember? So that's why we have used article a or an. And I hope you remember and we use if the next word is starting with a vowel sound. Good. a band of singers is performing on the stage. Once again, it's collective noun, and we treat collective nouns as singular noun. Good. So we use definite article the. Where do we use the? The first is in front of a specific noun. The Prime Minister of Pakistan is visiting Russia. The moon is very bright tonight. We know it's a specific noun. With adjectives or to talk about groups of people, life can be very hard for the poor. Right? It's a group of people poor, so we have used the before it. I think the rich should pay more taxes. So the rich means all the rich people should do it. She works for a group to help the disabled. Once again, it's a group of people, so we have used article the before it. To refer to a system or service, how long does it take on the train? Or I heard it on the radio. And you should tell the place. With a superlative adjective, he is the tallest boy in the class. Again, the class is referring to me. What does it mean? The tallest, the, here we have used with superlative degree and the to specify the class, all right? And it is the oldest building in the town, and she is the most intelligent girl. So this is how we have recalled all the use of a and the. It's your turn now. It's our activity time. What you are going to do? Teacher will divide class in pairs, and students will do part A on page 5. So pause the video, complete this task, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good, you are smart. Now it's time for your homework. You will write a short descriptive paragraph using all the articles. This is your homework, and here I'm giving you a worksheet for practice. So my dear fellow teachers, kindly download this worksheet, take print and provide students to practice the use of article. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with very interesting lesson. Till that time, take care. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.